Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, February 4th, 2020. Well, we have a few showers waking us up this morning with an area of low pressure moving through the region and a warm front lifting northward. And that is supporting some very mild weather conditions for this morning. Temperatures range from the upper 30s to lower 40s over the northern interior. Along the coast, generally in the lower to mid 40s. Down towards Atlantic City, mid 40s to lower 50s all the way down Wildwood. So certainly some very warm air, and with that warm air, a few showers. And some of those showers are capable of some heavier downpours. So just have an umbrella handy. You might need it as we move on through the day today. One thing is for sure, we are going to be looking at a very active weather pattern with even a threat for some ice. Thursday morning, beware, especially if you're north and west of the major cities, as it looks like it's going to be a bit of a hazardous drive on that Thursday morning commute. Of course, before we continue, please like, share, subscribe, let your friends and family know where you get your favorite weather information from. As always, I really appreciate it when people subscribe. It's really an honor, and I just want to thank you. And of course, if you're interested in getting even more weather information and more detailed analysis on what is happening with our weather today, tomorrow, next couple of months, well, definitely check out NYNJPA Weather Premium Discussions and Premium Consulting Membership. So, take a look at what we have here with our surface map. Now, this stationary front is wavering back and forth, up and down, okay? Now, what's going to happen is that as these waves of low pressure move through, you're going to see this cold front drop south. That's going to lead to much cooler or really colder weather conditions for tomorrow. We fall from the 50s and even a few lower 60s down into the 30s by the time we get to tomorrow. And that's all because that cold air mass is able to push south. But it isn't going to last. By Thursday morning, warm air surges northward. That is going to come with a lot of moisture that is coming right out of the Gulf of Mexico here and streaming right up the coast. So, cold air at the surface, warm air riding over. Perfect setup for freezing rain. Now, the good news is that the weather pattern we have in place is not going to support this high pressure system to remain in place over New England. It's going to get kicked out in the Atlantic, which means the cold air isn't supported. So that's some really good news, because that means that eventually that freezing rain will change over to rain as surface temperatures rise. The bad news is that, well, you're going to be in the upper 20s to lower 30s to start on Thursday morning for locations like the Poconos, Catskills, the Hudson Highlands, so it's basically northwestern New Jersey, parts of the southern and central Hudson River Valley, and interior Connecticut. If you have plans, or basically you have kids going out, well, you might want to consider planning for some lengthy delays, maybe even a cancellation or two. And if you have plans on Thursday morning, you might want to consider to push them off to Friday morning. It's not exactly going to be much better on Friday in terms of the weather. At least it won't be ice, but it would be plenty of rainfall. So then we're going to have to talk about the potential for urban flooding. So yeah, it's going to be a busy week, that is for sure. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, scattered showers are expected. Temperatures will range from the lower to mid 50s on the immediate coast. Mid 50s to even a few lower 60s can be expected throughout the region. Now, the best chance for you to push to around 60 degrees will be from the Philadelphia metro on southward, where that warm front will continue to waver. For tonight, the cold front drops south, and you'll see scattered showers continue to be a threat. Temperatures will fall off into the mid-30s. You may see a few snowflakes mixed in there from time to time as that cold air pushes south. For tomorrow afternoon, precipitation will be more isolated in nature, but still rain, snow, shower here and there. Look for temperatures to range from the mid to upper 30s. Now on Thursday morning, this is where things get tricky. This low pressure system will be lifting to the north and east. Cold air is supported briefly. Notice our high pressure system is off the coast. So for the interior, you have those temperatures ranging from the upper 20s to lower 30s. Along the coast, mid 30s to lower 40s. So along the coast, all rain. New York City Metro, Long Island, Philadelphia, coastal New Jersey, you get the point. Rain, heavy rain, just an ugly morning. North and west of the major cities, especially northwestern New Jersey, northeastern Pennsylvania, Hudson River Valley, interior Connecticut, just away from the coast. You're easily looking at anywhere from a tenth to a quarter of an inch of freezing rain, with the potential to go over a quarter of an inch of freezing rain in a few isolated locations where you get those heavier downpours. I want to take a look at the model guidance for this afternoon just to kind of fine detail where the boundary layers are going to be in terms of temperatures. But by the time we get to this afternoon, I think we'll have a pretty good idea, and I'll put out some official maps on this potential for this afternoon to focus on Thursday morning. Now, by Thursday afternoon, temperatures will rise throughout the region. We're talking about temperatures pushing into the mid to upper 40s over the interior, upper 40s to mid 50s along the coast, with periods of heavy rain. Rain will continue on through Friday afternoon, heavy at times, looking anywhere from an inch to as much as 3 inches of rain, especially along the immediate coast. So there will be that threat for urban flooding. Temperatures on Friday will range from the mid 40s for lows, mid 50s to even a few lower 60s for highs. Saturday, we dry out, look for scattered cloud cover, chillier, with lows in the upper 20s, highs in the mid to upper 30s. On Sunday, see this low pressure system right here? Well, by Sunday morning, it's rapidly moving off the coast. There is a potential here for some scattered rain and snow showers, and on Sunday morning, some minor snow accumulation. Looking at lows in the mid to upper 20s, lower 30s on the immediate coast, highs in the mid to upper 30s. Snow accumulation will be limited because this low pressure system is going to be booking, but again, can't rule it out. We'll keep an eye on it on Sunday morning. So Sunday morning road conditions may be a bit slick. On Monday, high pressure's in control. Look for lows in the upper 20s, highs in the mid 40s. And on Tuesday, another cold front starts to stall out. Waves of low pressure on the way. That means periods of showers, with temperatures ranging from the upper 20s to lower 30s for lows and upper 40s to lower 50s for highs. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen D. Martino. And as always, stay safe out there.